Asi mwazi ya murume wangu. Pandakapiwa murume naMwari. Anokupa zvakangoenderana newe so.
Double goes.
Mwari. Zvino zvindoenda kumakuwa. Unonga chitei.
Aiwa ndotosare. Newe. Newe mvura newe.
Iwe. Zvanzi maiti. Kuuya kwavakaita vakaine chikepe kuenda hedu kukumba kwawo.
Chikepe
kuri kunwa namo.
Kuende genaizwa.
Aiwa vana fodha ndege vanoivana kupi.
Hakuna nai.
Get it from me.
Inini sosi yandakatonzwa. Kwaizwa kaenda mazano.
Akasehwa.
Ndiyani. Ichi. Chakafa rimidi.
Maititi. Kakuvhura mimba. God.
Kazuwa.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at you guys. OMG, Sassy, come back. Don't worry, they won't.
Ndika mabattery gun.
Oh, it's my dog, Sassy. Don't greet me. There is a new variant. You need to sanitize, all right? Just get this. No, just go back a little bit. Go back a little bit, okay? Just step. 3 steps back. It's all right. There's a new variant. There's a new variant. It came from, I'm not sure if it's America or Africa. It's called, they were talking about it. It's a shepherd. The variant, the COVID, the one. I think it was shepherd. I'm going to put it here. You just sanitize and then we'll talk. OMG! Is that you, my boy? Who is this? I think I have forgotten about this person. Wow. We have never changed. Gate close. Just don't worry, I was telling my gate to close. Yeah. Sassy, come, mama. OMG. Oh my God, guys, you need to take off your shoes. No, it's like, you know, a lot of things like Nzakangano, you know. So, right? Come through, Sassy. Please take off your shoes. What's this again? OMG! Is that him? Why is he looking so? Please don't beat my dog. No, in America, if you do this, they will arrest you. Just leave your shoes outside. Leave them outside. I told you. No, he doesn't. He eats pizza, this one. You see, he's actually sniffing your feet. They're stinky. Come, Sissy. Come on. Oh, my God. I'm serious. No, I actually came with, what's that one? What's that one? Is it Emirates? You know Emirates? Yeah, of course. Yeah. So how are you guys? But you did not call me to tell me that you're coming. How can I call you? No, because you know what? Right now I'm supposed to go out. I'm supposed to go to a vet because she needs to be injected. Because when we were in America, they say, yeah, the doctor needs to see him. It's been a while. He needs injection. You see how he's doing like this? Yeah. Her, it's actually a she, because when I was in America, you know, my husband bought me a he. Did I tell you about my husband in America? You are so jealous. You are so jealous.
That one we can't call it a wedding. It's not a good
Anyway, never mind what people say. You know, I'm in a hurry. Next time you call when you want to come because I was prepared.
Wait.
Why are you guys following me? This is my bedroom. You're not supposed to be in here. Okay? Oh my God. OMG. I need to pick this shit in the bag. Like I told you, I need to pick these things. Like I told you, you know what? I'm in a hurry and I'm not ready to sit down and talk to you guys. Next time you want to come, please set an appointment because, you know, things I'm really behind. We have plans that we're making, a lot of things going on since I landed in Africa. So, you know what? Next time I buy, please holler before you come, okay? So, I don't know who should I give. Is it you or your... I mean... No, it's okay. Just, I don't know, go and buy your kids. How many kids do you have now? Okay, just calm down, okay? How many kids do you have now? Just go and buy them some goodies and, What size are you, my vibe? You know, I'm in a hurry. I'm so sorry. I didn't bring anything for men, but I've got something you can use for your hair. Your hair is really scruffy. If you spray it like this, if you spray it, no, don't worry, it won't hurt.
Oh.
I mean, if you, just go to the bathroom. Go to the bathroom and spray. You know, there's a mirror in my bathroom. No. Let's keep that. You know, there's a chaperone. I don't want to have that. I will give you. What
Shangu.
you are, oh, me, I'm a size 39, so get in here. So, maybe, what can I give you? You know, I'm in a hurry, like I told you. So maybe I can, no, these ones I'm going to use them for, I've got an event coming up, alright? So I could give you these ones, okay? No, just pick them from here. Yeah, and also, I have so many heels. I love my same color. Just hold on, okay? Stop confusing me. Which one should I give you?
This one.
Okay, this one. Also, this one is a micro core. You know, I've got lots of them. As you can actually read inside. Yeah, it's a micro core. What else should I give you? What can I give you? You see, they are the same. This is a micro core as well, but I'll keep this one because I need to. Yeah, you really need to go, and I also need to be doing something. Okay, yeah, don't worry, guys. You need to go. Thank you so much for coming to see me, my vibe.
Okay.
And you're happy. Oh my God, you guys. You haven't changed a bit.
How can we change?
OMG. Sassy. Where you at, baby? Where did my dog go? Sassy! Sassy! Where you at?
How can you see? Kuromba completely. How can you see? Right, yeah, aye.